Guys, this YouTube channel is not to get your pronouns right. If you're offended by my message, you're using the wrong fact checkers. I'm not a rainbow farting unicorn. I'm nature's advocate. Good morning from St Lucia Estuary, Isimangaliso Wetland Park, South Africa. What a beautiful sunrise over the ocean. Wow, look at this high tide. What appears to be a washover is nothing. And it doesn't look like any ski boats is coming today. And there's nobody on the beach. I'm here all alone. Interesting that the sun is rising here at roughly the boardwalk. And yesterday it was all the way south towards Mapelon Bay. Very interesting phenomenon. The water level here behind the dunes at the boardwalk entrance, it looks deep, although it receded a lot. I wonder what makes this interesting tracks. Thumping small dragging tummy on the beach. Okay, the spur stops here at the high water mark. So let's trace it back to the dunes and see where it comes from. Maybe we can determine that way what made the spur. It's coming from that direction over there. So let's go and have a look. Let's see what it is. Maybe it's something that can make a video about. The problem I see here, it's an old spur. If I look at where it comes through the vegetation over here, and then I look at the leeward side of the dune, it's not very clear. So the wind and the rain has intervened with it. I can pick it up on this side again. It's going towards there, that side, but that's an old spur. So whatever it was, probably won't find out what it was. Yeah, somebody crossed the spur yesterday afternoon, and the spur is not as clear as from the ocean, from the vegetation to the ocean, from here to the vegetation, as it is from the vegetation to this side of the vegetation. Let's go and have a look there at the tractor spur, because this side it looks very fresher, much fresher. Yes, here we can clearly see it crossed over the vehicle spurs towards the ocean. This is a very interesting spur. Anybody got an idea what it is? Look at the patterns. On the patterns I can't see which way it's traveling, but according to the freshness of the spur, it's traveling from the vegetation to the ocean. In my back for 2 minutes. And look at the spillover over there. That's created from the ocean towards the St Lucia Estuary mouth, where it wants to be. Not where it was opened at the Mfolozi River. Another spur of a similar kind. Check it out. Okay, this one is fresher than the tire tracks. So, assumption I can make here, it didn't enter the ocean, but the high water mark washed over the spur, and this is the same animal continuing this way. Let's have a look. At the estuary mouth, the spur got confused. It looked like if it was going to enter this way, and then it turned around and backed over itself and came this way. and I can't see that it entered into the water. It sort of disappears here amongst the vegetation. Interesting phenomenon. Anybody got an idea what this is? I would love to know. I see in the search results a lot of people are searching, is the estuary mouth open? There's our palm nut vulture again. It's flying over me. Maybe I can get it into the shot. Nope. Sorry guys, I was saying, people ask in the search results, is the estuary mouth open 2021? Yes, it was open 2021. It closed again on the 4th of June 2021. And it's still closed. This crust that is deposited right across the wetlands, I'm walking on it now. It's rock hard. It feels like if I'm walking on pavement. It's not like a squishy mud type thing, it's a rock hard. The remnants of phytoplankton trying to spawn. The palm nut vultures of St Lucia Estuary, Isimangaliso Wetland Park, South Africa. Long flat beaches today on high tide. Here at the estuary beach, all the way to Ingwe Beach. Not much gullies. Huge surf. Presume a lot of sidewash. All the way past Ingwe Beach it looks like this. So not favorable for fishing. Maybe at low tide this afternoon.